In today's video, we're gonna look at these mop slippers. These slippers are machine washable, completely silent when walking, and will pick up all the dirt and grime that you need, whether it's ketchup, spills, or even attracting hair from your pets. They're available in different colors, different designs. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, guys, so if you're lazy and you wanted a quick pick-me-up, this is something you want to consider. So you've probably some point or another swept some dirt with your sock. Well, this takes it one step further. Basically, you wear these on your feet and you become a mop. So now anything you do, essentially, you can clean. So you can put some water or detergent on this and actually mop your floor with this. And you're not going to accidentally step in to your thing. This is perfect for tiles because tiles are definitely hard to clean. So this way you're basically just kind of walking around cleaning each tile independently. It's worked. I've tried these. Definitely recommend it. And these are machine washable as well, so you can go and just kind of throw these into the wash like you would with a bath mat. They definitely come in different colors as well. So I also have these other mop slippers that also come in different colors. Now you can easily put these ones as mop slippers on any of your shoes and really start going anywhere. Whereas the other ones you slip your feet in, again, these ones you put over your footwear. But that's it for the video. I hope this has been helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.